In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a UniSwap wallet account. By the end, you'll have the UniSwap browser extension installed and your wallet created, ready to use. First, open your web browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type UniSwap extension. This helps you find the official browser add-on quickly, especially if you're not navigating directly from UniSwap's website. In the results, look for the UniSwap extension on the Chrome Web Store. Make sure it's the legitimate listing before you proceed. Check that it's from the official publisher, look for a solid number of users and reviews, and avoid anything that looks like an ad or a duplicate. Once you're on the Chrome Web Store page, click Add to Chrome. Your browser will show a confirmation prompt. Click Add Extension and then give it a moment to download and install. You'll usually see a brief notification when it's done, and the Uniswap icon may appear near your address bar. If you don't see it, click the puzzle icon to find it and pin it for easy access later. When the extension opens, choose Create a Wallet. This begins the setup process inside the extension. You'll be asked to create a username. This part is optional, so feel free to pick one if you want a recognizable handle, or skip it if you prefer to keep things minimal. Either way is fine, you can continue without it. Next, you'll set a password for the extension. Create a strong, unique password that you don't use anywhere else. A good rule of thumb is to use a longer passphrase with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Type your new password in the first field, then enter the exact same password again in the confirm field to avoid typos. Take your time here, mismatches are common, and it's worth getting it right the first time. After entering and confirming your password, click Continue. The extension will finalize your setup and take you into your Uniswap wallet. From here, you can access your wallet anytime by clicking the Uniswap icon in your browser. If you pinned it earlier, it will always be just one click away. A few quick tips as you wrap up. Keep your password private and secure and only install extensions from official sources. If something in your browser looks off, close it and try again from the verified Chrome Web Store listing. That's it, your Uniswap wallet account is created and ready to go.